Let's talk and play together while we're doing the laundry.
Encouraging children to help you whilst you're washing the clothes can be a great opportunity to learn new words. You can talk together about whether something is wet or if it's dry, if it's clean or if it's dirty, whether it belongs to mummy or to daddy. You can talk about the colour of the items and what they're called. Red trousers, black t-shirt. You can also practice following instructions. For example, can you find me the red t-shirt? Or finding an item by description. Can you find me something stripy? Talk about where clothes go. Name the items as you take them out of the washing machine. This is a sock. It goes on your foot. You can try being silly and saying the wrong thing to see if your child will correct you. Like, my trousers go on my head.